everyone! I am so excited for you guys to join me today. As you've seen in the title, this is an unboxing video. So, without further ado, let's open this bad boy up, shall we? Ugh. I'm pretty excited. And here it is, this lovely, lovely machinery. Alright, so first thing is first, we have our cutting mat. It does have this protective film because this is sticky. So, we've got our manual. Here is the actual machine. Oh yeah. Of course, with my luck, it didn't come off cleanly. I believe this opens up. Oh, ha ha ha! Look at that. That releases it. I've got these two little compartments right here. Sure, there's something in the manual that explains those a bit better. They're held shut by these small, tiny little magnets. So you can see there's those. We've got this, which is the mechanism that's going to move back and forth, and this nice foam padding to keep it nice and protected. So we're going to close this up, pull out some of the other things that we have. So this is the black pen, the cord that is the USB that hooks it to the computer, and our power cable. Let's open up this manual. The paper with a very interesting texture. Love it. We've also got the same thing in black and in blue. Warranty, FCC statement, and the entire booklet that comes with it. I was not expecting this booklet to look like that, honestly. But it comes with these really gorgeous pictures. Everything is very clean cut and organized. It's not that paragraph upon paragraph of just text. It's very sleek. It's very easy to read, very easy to understand, and this is probably one of the best manuals for a product that I have ever seen. I am surprised. I am thoroughly shocked. That was not something that I was expecting. It comes with two different links on the very first page. The first one is an online guide to help you set up your machine, how to create an account, and how to make a project. And then after that, once your machine is set up, you can go back from any computer to the link that they provided to design and cut your projects. So that's really cool. I'm super excited about this. So I think I'm going to set it up on my computer, so let's get to it. Alright, so I just got the machine all set up, and so I have now flipped to my first page where it tells me the URLs on how to get everything set up on my computer. Alright, so it says, welcome to the Cricut family. Let's set up your machine, create a Cricut ID, and make a fun project. Now, I've also heard this called Cricut. I'm going to call it Cricut. I'm probably wrong, but whatever. So this is making the Cricut ID. I haven't put my information in just yet. I'm going to put in all of the information, and then I will be right back with you guys because obviously it's personal information. So I'll be right back with you guys to show you after I've clicked the sign in, or sign up button, I should say. Alright, so I created my account. It says that the Cricut ID can be used to sign into Design Space, Cricut.com, or any other Cricut application. You have successfully created a Cricut ID. Continue. Please power on your Cricut and connect it to your computer. So mine is all connected. I'm actually going to move it up here though, so it's a little bit easier for you guys to see. Alright, so we're going to go down over in this corner, click the continue button. It says you get free gifts. This Cricut machine comes bundled with a collection of free images, fonts, and projects. You'll receive instructions to access the gifts on your machine once your machine is set up. It says down here in the corner, by accepting gifts, you agree to Cricut terms of use. So we accept the gifts. We have to take those gifts whether we want to or not. It says get the most of your Cricut experience, join Cricut Access and unlock a huge library of images, fonts, and ready-to-make projects. Plus, enjoy 10% off all your Cricut.com and Design Space purchases. So it says you can either sign up for the Cricut Access Standard and get 4 weeks free. It is $9.99 US dollars per month after your first 4 weeks. You can cancel at any time, or you can settle for the 2-week free trial, no strings attached, which is what I'm going to do. Free trial begins now. You now have access to thousands of projects, images, and fonts for 2 weeks. Anything with this symbol is the Cricut Access. So it says that my machine is registered and ready. And then it said, let's make the symbol card included with your machine. So the paper that we were provided with earlier, this white, black, and blue, we're going to end up making a project with. So this is where your project gets automatically sorted by color into individual mats. This project only has one mat. Click continue. So it just connected. So we are going to open our machine. And it is telling us to open clamp A. Hold clamp up while pushing pen down until arrow on pen disappears. So we have this little arrow right here. You push up on this and down until the arrow disappears. Also just made a click noise, so it clicks into place. Now we're going to close the clamp and then click the continue button on our computer. So this is where it's telling you to load the fine point blade. The machine already came with the fine point blade inserted, so I'm just going to explain that and demonstrate putting it in. And closing the clamp. Then we click continue. Place cardstock on mat. Align with top left corner of grid. We're going to take our Cricut mat and peel off this. So this surface is nice and sticky. Then we're going to take this and attach it to the top left corner. Because this mat is nice and sticky, paper doesn't fall off. So now we're going to load this. Slide mat underneath both mat guides. So let's turn this just a little bit. So we're going to slide this. There's two guides right here that we slide it under. Keep mat pushed firmly against roller. Press the load or unload button. So there's this blinking light right over here that we're going to push. So there's this blinking light over here. Let me see if you can see it. Yep, so this second button is blinking and you press it. Alright, so now that it's finished, we're going to push this button, which is the load unload. Open clamp A and remove the pen. To remove cardstock without curling, gently bend mat until one edge releases. There we go. So you flip mat and press cardstock against flat surface, then slowly pull the mat away. So clearly I didn't do a very successful job at that, as it did curl a little bit. Now we're going to fold this card in half. You insert the liner into the corner slots. And then you got this cute little card. That says "Enjoy" on the front. Now it's going to show us how to add some embellishments with the blue paper. Now it's saying to click on the Start a New Project button. Let's add an image to the canvas. So now it's having us search the image library and typing in film. Looks nice. Click on the image and then you click on the bottom that says Insert Image. Like the size and color of this image as is, so let's make it. That looks good. Let's continue. It says to load the fine point blade, which it is loaded. Place the cardstock on mat, print it side down. I'm going to slide the mat underneath the guide. Press this button. And then we're going to press this blinking little button right here. Go. Now we're going to press this button. And then we're going to peel the image off of the card. Slide image into card. And there we have it. So thank you guys so much for joining me in this fun little experiment with unboxing my Cricut machine and trying out the little starter project. It was very fun. Honestly, I really enjoy how this company put together teaching you how to use this machine. So I'm very excited. I think this was an excellent project for the new year. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I did want to include a little bit of an announcement right here at the end of the video. I was hired. I found out on Christmas Day that I am being hired as the art coordinator for a local festival. So if you watch these videos and you are in the state of Maine, be looking for that, because I might be looking for some artists to come and do some live paintings, and I'm hoping to get different types of artists to join in and have a blast doing some art on the side of a mountain, overlooking the mountains. It's gonna be awesome. So, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. It's probably not as good as some other unboxing videos, and I'm not afraid to admit that. But I had fun, and that's what matters. So, give it a thumbs up if you liked it. It helps with the algorithm, it helps me, it helps you, it helps YouTube. It's a win-win-win. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I would not be able to do this without you guys. You guys are awesome. See you later.